Hey guys, this is Chris, Treasure Loft Racing Pigeons. Welcome back for another one. Today I've got a very different kind of video. I thought I'd try something a little different. I'm very curious what you guys think of this kind of video. If you like these or if you don't care for these. It's just a little short video compilation of some clips that I've put together. Let me know what you think. Put down in the comments what you guys think of this kind of video. And if you like them, I'll make more of them. And if you don't like them, that's okay. I like making them, so I guess that's what counts. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to the 1,000 subscriber mark, and I'm looking forward to that. I appreciate everybody that's done it so far. All right, thanks for watching. We'll catch you at the next one.